Hello, good afternoon, viewer. I welcome you to today's episode of Security and You. Security and You is brought to you by Snow.net Technologies Limited. And like we rightly used to ask, how secured is your car? How secured is your residence? And how secured is your business places? These are questions that we used to ask. And the best answers are to be provided by you. You know, as you're driving that car, how secured it is. Do you have a tracker installed in that car? As you're staying at home now because of the lockdown, how secured is your home? As you've left your business place for some time because of the COVID-19, how secured is that business place? It is one question that you need to ask yourself. Snow.net Technologies Limited is a professional ICT security solution. We provide home security. We make sure that while you are sitting at home, you're safe. But briefly, I want to introduce you to a particular product today. And that product is an emergency response product. So many security platforms have predicted a sharp rise in crime, theft, and robbery, kidnapping and molestation, simply because of the lockdown. That is why we are introducing you to an emergency response two-way radio. Something happened a few days back. In particular location that we're managing, we introduced this two-way radio to them. And what happens is, as soon as there is any security breach in your house while you're sitting at home, you can raise an alarm using this radio instead of using your GSM. The disadvantage of this is, incident had happened where a particular person had a security breach and he used his GSM radio to make a call to a neighbor. And by the time the call could go, the intruder has already gained access to the GSM radio and switched it off. But we introduce this to the neighborhood. What happens is, if there is a security breach, all you need to do is to raise an alarm. Emergency, emergency in my house. Automatically, as many that are tuned into this channel, we hear that message immediately. And they begin to respond. Even when the intruder has gained access to Mr. A that has raised an alarm, Mr. B and C and D will begin to say, Mr. A just raised an alarm and we're not hearing him again. What is happening? And people will begin to go for what is happening to Mr. A. And even when the intruder is having access, if it probably had access to your radio, he will even hear the communication and he cannot stay there for more than a second. He will leave. It has saved life. There are good reports that are coming for it. It used to be for 25,000 naira before, but because of this COVID-19 shutdown, we have brought it down to 18,000 naira. It is now 18,000 naira. You can place order, have it in your neighborhood. Every resident should have it, every house should have it, and it will be programmed to a particular channel for that neighborhood. That is to say, at every point there is a security breach in your house, all you need to do is to raise an alarm, and everybody that is connected to this radio will hear it. It has been slashed down to 18,000 naira, which is our own part in contributing to the COVID-19. You can call us on 0809 740 7406, 0809 740 7406, 080 333 93828. You can follow all our social media platforms. YouTube is Security and You. Twitter is Security Updates. Facebook is Snow.net Security Limited. You can all follow us on all our social media platforms. Until we meet next time, we shall be bringing to you again Security and You updates on how to live and to be safe during and after this COVID-19 lockdown. Once again, the product is now for 18,000 naira. You can call our phone number 0809 740 7406. Follow all our social media platforms. Also visit our website www.snownetsecurity.com, Twitter at security updates, YouTube security and you, and also Facebook snow.net security. We're all there ready to bring you security tips every week, every day, every point. Our number remains 0809 740 7406. Thank you, and may God keep you safe.